Hey guys, guess what we about to do?
Wow! We'll cook.
Yes, cooking.
But wait a minute. You guys are just some random dude who's never done any cooking before. You must be really bad at cooking. Shh. Nuh-uh. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
Hey guys, today we're gonna make Omurice curry with tornado egg. Right now we're at the supermarket. Gonna buy a few things for our Omurice curry. For the fried rice, we're gonna need a stick of spring onion, 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, an onion, and 2 pieces of egg. For the tornado egg, we're gonna need lots and lots of eggs, in case you fail. For the curry, we're gonna need some kind of curry paste, a piece of carrot, and half piece of potato. But before we start cooking, I wanna give a huge shout out to this video sponsor, you. Because without you guys watching at home, nothing's gonna motivate me to make this video. So, thank you for everyone supporting this channel.
First, we are going to make the curry. First things first, grab a stick of carrot and the potato. After that, peel the carrot and the potato. Then, wash it until it's clean. Then, chop up the stick of carrot and chop half of the potato. Then, prepare a saucepan, put a little bit of oil, then turn on the heat of the stove to medium-high heat. Put the chopped carrots and potatoes in, then stir fry it for around 2 minutes. After that, pour around 300 milliliters of water, then set the heat to medium-low for 10 minutes. Now, put a block of curry in and keep stirring until the curry is mixed well. Second, we are going to make the egg fried rice. First up, chop a couple cloves of garlic, a couple of green onions, and half an onion. Then, prepare the egg mixture by using 2 eggs and season it with a pinch of salt and black pepper. Now, prepare a wok or a frying pan. Same as before, put a little bit of oil, then put the heat to medium-high. Put the chopped garlic, onion, and the egg mixture in, then stir fry. When it's cooked halfway, put in a bowl of day-old rice, then stir it while pouring some oyster and soy sauce. When it's almost done, throw in the green onions. Last but not least, the tornado egg. Prepare another batch of the same egg mixture used for the fried rice. Prepare a frying pan, put a little bit of oil, then put the heat to low this time. Pour the egg mixture in, then wait until it's a little bit cooked on the side. Then grab a chopstick and pinch the side of the eggs and bring it to the middle. And rotate the pan every couple of seconds until the egg is cooked. And that's it. The egg fried rice with curry and tornado egg is finished.
Dari penampilannya sih kelihatan menarik ya buat dicoba. Tapi nggak tahu nih rasanya. Ntar kita coba ya. Let's try. Coba karinya dulu, coba kuahnya. Oke sih.
Pas gak rasanya?
Agak kurang asin dikit. Tapi ya dicoba ini coba.
Overall good, overall.
Ininya nggak terlalu lembek. Carrotnya nggak terlalu lembek. Terus ini potatonya coba. Pas. Nggak terlalu lembek juga. Terus ini telur ya. Telur coba telur.
Try the egg.
Oh ini ada nasi, wih, ada nasinya guys, nasi guys. Oke sih lucu modelnya, kayak yang di kafe-kafe gitu. Coba ini rasanya ya. Pas, kalau ini pas. Asinnya nggak tau asin, terus nggak ada rasa lah gitu kan. Kalau yang si ininya kurang asin dikit lah, si karinya. Enak sih. Oke kalian.
Sehat banget.
Good job. Keren.
Bilang I love it gitu.
I love it. Keren.
Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal, criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama, I'm a criminal. Mama,